Today we're going to be making some more fluffy slime. We already made a batch. We wanted to make a video, but it didn't work. We forgot that we wanted to make a video. My mom is here with me. Do you want to wave to the camera? Yeah, so she's going to help me make some fluffy slime. I already made one. It's pretty sticky though. Don't let the babies in this, Mom.
Contact?
No, it's actually pretty good.
Okay,
So we're gonna... Whoa. Oh gosh. This. Oh, I still have some on my hands. Okay, this doesn't care. Yeah. Okay, so what we want to do first is we want to have a bowl. Some glue. Oh, there's still some in there. I'm going to use the rest of this. It's so fun to just watch it. Okay. Here. Okay. It's so exciting. Okay, so guys, this is what it looks like so far. I don't want to drop you in there. So this is the clear glue and this is the non-clear glue. Oh, I still have some of that. That's cool. Okay, so what do you want to add next? Oh yeah, so we also need shaving cream. Add a generous amount. Yep, I think that's good. Look at all that, guys. And also, you need a dish soap. You also need a spoon.
Yeah.
Can you get me a spoon? I want to mix it. If you guys were here person to person, you guys would, if you guys smelled this, it would smell amazing. I have a towel on my head because I just got done taking a bath. Oh. There's a record on the table. Okay, I have a spoon. Mix, 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 mix. And guys, can you videotape it like me? So you guys want to mix it so it's like all foamy. Then when it starts to come together, you want to get the sides, and when you're still mixing, you just want to get the sides so you don't leave any of it still there, because it's after you make the slime, it's gonna be harder to get the rest of the liquid into the slime part. My mom is getting some green paint. So it's all chunky, guys, because we don't really have paint that's good. Ooh, this is turning into a good green. I might keep the blue one. And KP, if you're watching this, I'm making slime for you. I want to go in by my hands now. Okay, yeah. I'm going to go in with my hands. Whoa. Whoa, this is sticky. Whoa. Wow. Oh my. Paint all over me now. Okay, that's good. Oh my. Ooh. This is stringy. I think we overactivated it.
Just mix it up good. I bet it'll get out.
Yeah. So guys. It's stretchy. I'm glad it's stretchy. This is cool. It's staying on my pinky.
Want more?
No.
Actually, there's still more in the bowl.
There's more in here. It's actually okay. Guys, this smells delicious. Well, it doesn't smell like delicious, like you want to eat it, but it just like smells good.
It's probably the soap.
Oh yeah, it's what does it say its flavor is?
Fuji.
Fuji cherry blossom scent. Yeah, I think this. Oh my. This slime is cool. Can you videotaping me doing the poking test?
No.
My hands are so dirty from the last one and this one. Oh guys, this pokes really good. My mom's gonna videotape me poking it just a second. She's gonna make it so it's up here. Guys, this slime, you guys should definitely make this. It's cloud slime. Okay, can you videotape me doing the pokey test? Okay, we're gonna do the pokey test. Whoa. This is cool. I love this kind of slime. Guys, look at the screen. Mom, do you think this will glow in the dark?
No.
Probably not. I have green dye all over me. So guys, thank you for watching. This is going to be the end of the video. See you next time. Bye. Bye.